Now these are pretty small springs, aren't they? And the damper setup is quite old-fashioned, really, isn't it?
Very 80s.
Yeah.
I'm sure better could be done now.
Right, I've just noticed that wishbone's had a bit of a smack on here, hasn't it? Right. So that's going to be out of line.
But a lot of these things are designed so these do distort.
Yeah.
The whole idea is to make your suspension actually quite weak, so if you have an impact, it bends that instead of bending the chassis.
Okay.
So that's actually well thought out.
Right. Could that little impact there be the difference between this staying on the track or off the track and therefore injury?
Absolutely. If anything is out by a millimetre, it's got an issue. You're not going round for your McDonald's.
Yeah.
It's about getting a car handling on the track. You change that by 1-2 millimetres, you've got a problem.
Yeah, so it's all got to be measured up as well then?
Absolutely.
This is why we brought it to you, mate, because it is admittedly scary. It's a supercar. Let's talk about the engine end first. You might recognise that gearbox.
Renault.
Exactly.
Right.
It's nice that it's original.
Yeah, but hold on, look, the distributor cap's off, the leads are all off it, the rocker cover bolts are loose.
No fan belt on it.
Yeah. Well, hold on, look. That's not right, is it?
I suspect there was something wrong with it. He'd started stripping it down and maybe hit a brick wall when he discovered how deep the problem was.
Right, so that's going to be engine and box out then?
Yeah.
We've obviously got to go through all the braking system.
I think everything's got to come apart and just hope and pray it's not too bad inside.